teaching you a system, and it's repetition that's going to cause you to actually implement the things that you've heard before that you're not currently doing. And some of the things that you're currently doing can be improved upon.
Deadline for implementation. I learn something new every single time.
We're going to bring you, myself, Craig Proctor, we're going to go right at this and make these 3 days full of generating an overflow of business and converting more of those prospects to lifetime customers.
Todd and I, we had a mission with this. We want to create something that does not exist in real estate. And there is nothing else like this. Here's what's different about this than any other coach or mentor or guru. We have studied the marketplace to find out what our competition is doing and what they're not doing. And I really like the results that our members are getting compared to anything else that's available in the industry.
Where are you right now on having the life that you want, the marriage that you want? And if you're not a married person, just put relationships. The money that you want. How many of you have all the money that you want? The only way you can grow your real estate business is to have an overflow of it. There's no other option.
Every single event brings me back to really the basics and brings me back to all that we still have to implement. So every event we go to figure out what we're going to implement next. We set the goal for 2 to 3 things, and then those things are implemented by the next event.
Then you're focused on doing one thing, making another quantum leap.